You have been pressing the same two buttons on your Hyundai key fob for years, lock and unlock, and you genuinely think that is all it does. And honestly, that is completely understandable. Most people never think twice about the little plastic remote sitting in their pocket. It is just a tool, right? You press a button, the car beeps, you get in, you drive away. Simple. But here is the thing. That tiny device you have been ignoring is packed with hidden features, clever tricks, and time-saving shortcuts that Hyundai engineers quietly built in, and almost nobody talks about them. Some of these features are buried deep in your owner's manual, the ones sitting unopened in your glove box. Others are so counterintuitive that even longtime Hyundai owners stumble on them completely by accident. Today, we are going to change all of that. We are going through every major hidden feature and trick your Hyundai key fob is capable of. And by the end of this video, you are going to look at that little remote in a completely different way. Whether you drive a Tucson, a Sonata, an Elantra, a Santa Fe, or any other model in the lineup, most of these tricks will apply directly to your vehicle. Let's get into it. Trick 1. Roll down all your windows without touching the car. This one stops people dead in their tracks the first time they see it happen. You can roll down every single window in your Hyundai, all of them at once, using nothing but your key fob, while standing completely outside the car. Here is how you do it. Press the unlock button on your key fob once to unlock the doors. Then, instead of walking up and getting in, press and hold the unlock button again for about 3 to 5 seconds. Keep holding it. Within a moment, you will see and hear all 4 windows begin to lower simultaneously, as if a ghost just climbed in and started pressing every window button at the same time. Why would you ever want this? Think about a scorching summer afternoon. You walked out of a shopping mall, your car has been baking in a parking lot under direct sun for 2 hours, and the interior temperature is probably somewhere around the temperature of a pizza oven. If you jump straight in and start the engine, the air conditioning has to work incredibly hard to cool down that suffocating trapped air. But if you roll all the windows down before you even open the door, that hot air escapes almost immediately. By the time you actually sit down and start driving, the cabin is already significantly cooler. It is a genuinely useful feature that most Hyundai owners have never discovered. Trick 2. Close all your windows remotely. From outside, now that you know how to roll them down, here is the reverse. You can also roll all your windows back up using just the key fob, again without ever touching the car. The method is almost identical to the window opening trick, but you use the lock button instead of the unlock button. Press the lock button once to lock the doors, then press and hold the lock button again for several seconds. Your windows will begin to climb back up automatically, closing completely on their own. This is incredibly useful if you walk away from your car and suddenly realize you left a window cracked open. Maybe it looked like rain on the horizon, or you just had that creeping feeling of doubt. Instead of walking all the way back to the car, fishing out your keys, opening the door, and manually rolling the window up, you just hold the lock button for a few seconds and it is handled. This feature also works as a security measure. Some people like to drive with windows cracked during cooler weather, but when they park and lock up, they want everything sealed tight. Now you can do that without even thinking about it. Trick 3. Activate your sunroof remotely. On Hyundai models equipped with a power sunroof or panoramic roof, this feature extends even further. The same hold to open and hold to close method on the key fob can control your sunroof in addition to your windows, depending on your specific model year and trim level. By holding the unlock button, some Hyundai vehicles will open both the windows and tilt or fully open the sunroof at the same time. This is the ultimate pre-cooling trick on a hot day. You essentially create a ventilation system for the entire car before you even step inside. If your Hyundai has this capability, the sunroof should respond during the same button hold that triggers the windows. If you notice your windows going down, but the sunroof is not moving, check your vehicle settings or consult your manual, because some models require this feature to be enabled through the infotainment system first. Trick 4. The panic button as a locating tool. Every key fob has a panic button. That loud, alarming red button that you have probably pressed once by accident, and then frantically pressed again to make it stop. But beyond its obvious emergency use, the panic button is actually one of the most practical lost car tools you have. In a crowded parking lot or a multi-level parking structure, finding your car can genuinely be a frustrating experience. You click the lock button expecting to hear a beep, but sometimes the distance is too great, or there is too much noise to hear it clearly. You start wandering around feeling slightly embarrassed. Instead, press the panic button. Your Hyundai's horn will begin blaring, and the hazard lights will start flashing. You can hear and see that from a significant distance. far greater than a simple lock beep. Once you spot the flashing lights, press the panic button again to silence everything and lock the car normally. It feels overly dramatic, but it is genuinely efficient. You find your car in seconds instead of minutes, and nobody actually pays attention to a briefly beeping car in a parking lot. Use the tool you have. Trick 5. Remote Start Without the Remote Start Package. Here is something that surprises a lot of people. Depending on your Hyundai model and year, your standard key fob may be capable of triggering a basic remote start sequence, even without a dedicated remote start subscription or the premium key fob package. The method typically involves pressing the lock button once, followed immediately by holding the remote start button, which on many Hyundai fobs looks like a circular arrow or a dedicated start icon, for about 3 seconds. If your vehicle supports this, the engine will turn over and begin warming up or cooling down from a distance. This is particularly valuable in cold climates. You can start your Hyundai and let the heater run for a few minutes before you even put your coat on, so by the time you get in the car, the interior is warm, the defroster has done its job, and the windshield is clear. In extreme cold, this also allows the engine oil to warm up slightly before you start driving, which is genuinely better for the engine long term. In warm climates, the air conditioning kicks on during remote start, so you get the same pre-cooling effect. Check your specific model's manual for the exact button sequence, as this can vary between generations. Trick 6. Using your key fob as an emergency key. This one is not just a trick. It is important information to have before you actually need it. Inside your Hyundai key fob, hidden behind a small release tab or slot on the back or side of the casing, there is a physical metal key. That emergency key is there for exactly the situations you hope never happen. Your key fob battery dies completely. The car's electrical system fails. You need to get into the vehicle manually. By sliding or pressing that release tab on the back of your fob, a slim metal key will pop free. With that physical key, you can unlock your driver's side door manually through the keyhole, which on many modern Hyundai models is hidden behind a small cover or cap near the door handle. Once inside the car, you can still start some Hyundai models by holding the key fob body directly against the push start button, because the transponder chip inside the fob communicates with the car at extremely close range even without battery power. Knowing this before you need it could save you from an expensive tow call or a long wait for roadside assistance. Take 30 seconds right now after this video and find that emergency key on your fob. Trick 7. Fold in your side mirrors remotely. On select Hyundai models, particularly newer trims of the Sonata, Tucson, and Santa Fe, your key fob can trigger the automatic folding of your side mirrors when you lock the car. This is a feature that comes standard on some higher trim levels, and it is activated automatically as part of the locking sequence. When you press the lock button and walk away, the mirrors will fold inward on their own, reducing the car's profile and protecting the mirrors from being clipped in tight parking spots or narrow streets. When you return and unlock the car, the mirrors fold back out automatically as well. If your Hyundai has power folding mirrors, but they are not folding when you lock with the fob, this behavior can often be toggled on through the vehicle settings menu in your infotainment display. Look under the door or mirror settings section, and you should find an option to enable automatic mirror folding with the lock command. This is one of those small features that, once you start using it, you will miss it deeply anytime you drive a car that does not have it. Trick 8. Double press lock. For extra confirmation. Many Hyundai owners know the single press to lock, but there is a behavioral trick worth building into your habit that adds real peace of mind. Press the lock button twice in quick succession when walking away from your parked car. On most Hyundai models, the second press triggers an additional confirmation chirp, or a double horn honk, which is a louder and more distinct signal than the standard single beep. This tells you unambiguously that the car has registered your lock command and the doors are secured. In loud environments, a busy street, a parking garage with lots of echoing noise, a crowded event, that second press and the resulting double confirmation gives you absolute certainty without having to walk back and physically check the door handles. It is one of those micro habits that eliminates the "did I lock the car" anxiety that so many drivers experience. Trick 9. Extend your fob's range using your body. This one sounds like an internet myth, but it has actually been demonstrated and explained by automotive engineers. You can temporarily boost the range of your key fob signal by holding the fob against your chin or the side of your head when pressing the button. The human body, and specifically the fluid content in your head, acts as a mild antenna amplifier for the radio frequency signal your fob emits. It does not dramatically extend the range, but in those borderline situations where you are just slightly too far from the car to get a response, pressing the fob against your jaw and activating it can make the difference. It is not a substitute for replacing a dying battery or fixing a damaged fob, but as a temporary workaround when you are parked far away and need to confirm your lock, it actually works. Try it next time you are at the edge of your fob's effective range. Trick 10. Reprogram your fob. At home, after battery replacement. After replacing the battery in your Hyundai key fob, some owners find that the fob stops responding correctly. The connection between the fob and the car has been lost, and rather than paying a dealer to reprogram it, you can often do this yourself at home in under 2 minutes. The general process for most Hyundai models involves sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed, inserting your physical key or having the fob present, and cycling the ignition from off to on a specific number of times in rapid succession, typically 4 or 5 times, without actually starting the engine. The car enters a programming mode, you press a button on the fob, and the car accepts the new pairing. The exact sequence varies by model and year, so your owner's manual is your best resource here, or a quick search for your specific model's fob programming procedure. But the fact that this is something you can do yourself in your driveway, saving a potential dealer visit and service charge, is genuinely useful information. Trick 11. The trunk release trick for hands-free loading. Most Hyundai models with a power liftgate or powered trunk have a dedicated button on the key fob for the trunk or rear hatch. But there is a secondary trick many people miss. On certain models, you can hold the trunk button for an extended press to not just pop the trunk, but to fully open it to its maximum position automatically, hands-free. This is enormously useful when your hands are full of grocery bags, boxes, or luggage. You approach the car, hold the trunk button for a few extra seconds, and the liftgate rises fully on its own. You do not have to set anything down, balance anything awkwardly, or use a foot kick gesture under the bumper. Additionally, some Hyundai models allow you to set the maximum opening height of the power liftgate through the infotainment system. If you park in a garage with a low ceiling, you can program the liftgate to stop at a lower point so it does not bang against the ceiling, and that saved height setting is maintained every time you use the fob to open it. The bottom line. So there you have it. Your Hyundai key fob is dramatically more capable than you probably realized when you first picked up this video. From rolling down all your windows before you even open the door, to finding your car in a crowded lot, to reprogramming your own fob at home after a battery swap. These features exist specifically to make your daily life easier, and they cost you absolutely nothing because they are already built right into the device sitting in your pocket. The real shame is that so few of these features are ever communicated clearly to new owners. They sit in owner's manuals that rarely get opened, mentioned in passing in delivery walkthroughs that nobody fully absorbs, or simply discovered years later by accident. Now you know. And the next time someone gets into your Hyundai and watches you roll down every window from 20 feet away with a single button hold, you are going to enjoy that moment. If this video helped you discover something new about your car, drop a comment below and tell us which trick surprised you the most. And if you know a Hyundai owner who has no idea their key fob can do any of this, share this video with them, because everyone deserves to actually use the features they already paid for. We will see you in the next one.